Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create an avatar in your Instagram account. To create avatar in your Instagram account, firstly open your Instagram application. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now click on edit profile. Now tap on avatar icon at the right side of your profile picture. Now tap on create avatar. Now choose the skin tone that you like for your avatar. Tap on next button. Now choose the hairstyle you like for your avatar. Now tap on next button. Now choose the hair color that you like. Now tap on save button. Now tap on next button. This is how you will be able to create your avatar on your Instagram account. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a like. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming videos from us. Thank you and see you in next video.